We have seen the memory keyword in the previous chapter. So what was the deal here? Well, there are three keywords for the data location of variables. They can be either storage, memory, or call data. This is only needed for every reference type. Whenever you declare such a type, either as function parameter or within a function, reference types in Solidity are strings, structs, arrays, and mappings. The specialty here is that values of reference type can be modified through multiple different variable names that all point to the same data, because it's just a reference. This is quite unique because usually when you declare a new variable, you get a new independent copy. If you used arrays in JavaScript before, then you are familiar with this concept. External function parameters cannot be declared as storage, since the data by definition comes from outside the contract. And if you declare a type as function parameter for external functions, then try to use call data. This is a special data location of the Ethereum virtual machine that is cheaper to use, but otherwise is similar to memory. And whatever you declare as the data location will have an impact on where data is copied. Assignments between storage and memory or call data always create an independent copy. So here, when we assign our myString to the newString variable, the newString here is in call data. So then the data has to be copied from call data to the state, because myString is actually in the state. But if you're just assigning, for example, from memory to memory, then nothing is actually copied, but you're only changing the reference.